You will also see this in the following classes, on the following steps of the class, that we really want to have an emphasis on being efficient, because as you will find out, there is no such thing as speed painting or speed art. It should always be called something like efficient paint or efficient painting or efficient art, as it's the type of workflow you have. So we want to be hyper efficient, and it's also a matter of fun, actually. The more efficient you are, the more flow and momentum you can gain, and the more you would experience something that is actually really, really ecstatic, and it's a lot of fun. So let's get this brush to where it belongs. I have some sections here, and I put this in the section that's called add. So I have all brushes that are adding to the basically an additive behavior to the top part of this brush selection window, and then I have a subtraction mode. So just play around with this, and don't be afraid to make 50 attempts to just create basically a set of brushes, just to get in the feel and the vibe of actually making it your own language, so to speak, like your own intuitive approach, the brush making itself. Of course, you can get all the brushes that are shown here on the side, and you can play around with them, and I also encourage you to play around. However, keep in mind that creating your own brushes has a completely different quality to it. So see you at the next lesson. Bye.